Hello everyone, this is Grace and welcome back to the GraceBrite channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I do my press-on nails at home. My nails was looking busted and I wasn't feeling them, so I decided to do them by myself. The nails that I'm going to be putting on are by Kiss and they are called Jelly Fantasy. I ordered them from Ulta and I'll make sure to put the link in the description box for easy access if you are interested in buying them. The first step to putting press-on nails is making sure that your natural nails under are prepped and ready. So here I'm clipping my nails to even them out and make them short. After that, I'm going to use the nail filer that is provided in the nail kit to file and buff out my nails. Now I'm using the cuticle pusher that is provided in the kit to push my cuticles out the way. Now I'm going to remove any excess debris by using a nail polisher remover. Now I'm picking out the press-on nails that best fit my actual nails. So I really like the design on this press-on nail, but they didn't have the size that best fit my pinky. So I filed down the size of the nails until it matched my own nails perfectly. If you're going to do this, take your time to do it and try the nail on and off your finger till you get the right size. So now I'm cleaning off any excess debris that may have gotten on the nails before I start applying them on my fingers. I used the glue that comes with the nail kit, but honestly I didn't like it. I felt like it wasn't working to its best ability, so I went ahead and used some other glue that I had. It's from the same brand, Kiss, so I would suggest that you buy another set of glue instead of using the one that's in the nail kit also. And also, when you're going to apply the press-on nails, put some glue on your actual nail and then put some glue on the press-on nails. This makes the press-on nails last longer. So I did my other hand off screen because, you know, it's just the same thing that I did over and over. So the last step is to use some cuticle oils on your cuticles. I didn't have that, so I'm using my body oil from Neutrogena. So this is the end of my video and this is the end result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next. Bye!